Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Hi friends, welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to SQL tutorials. So friends, today we have learned union query in SQL 2017. So friends, let's start. So friends, first we have opened a DB and write a new query. Check DB and write a new query. We have check the tables. We have two tables. We have select star from GPL student execute this query, and second query is select star from TBL books. So friends, you can see this. We have executed both. You can see friends, stdid and stdid and course both tables are same columns. So friends, we have write the union query, select std id. We have write a same column name, course from TPL student, and we write a union. Again we have write a select std id course from TPL books, and we have write a order by std id. So friends, we have execute this query. So friends, you can see this, both columns are combined and showing. Yes, this is a union query. I hope friends you like the videos. If you like the videos, please like and share and subscribe, and latest videos updates, press the bell icon. For more information, like my Facebook page, follow on Instagram and Twitter, and join my Google Plus community. If you have any query, friends, you can ask me in comment or email, and visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com. and thank you for watching video.